I spent 6 hours trying to organize my lecture notes. Then I discovered this free AI tool that did it in 15 minutes. Here's exactly what happened. If you're a student, you know this frustration. You walk out of lecture with scattered notes across 3 apps, a PDF that doesn't match what the professor said, and zero idea where to start studying. I call this the post-lecture fragmentation crisis, and it was killing my grades. Then I found NotebookLM, Google's free AI study assistant. In just 15 minutes, I transformed complete chaos into organized study materials. And I'm going to show you the exact 4-phase system that changed everything. Phase 1. Create your hub. Go to notebooklm.google.com and create a new notebook. Name it strategically. I use PSYC 315, Lecture Synthesis Hub. This naming matters more than you think. Phase 2. Upload everything. Drag in your lecture slides, copy-paste your messy notes, add the professor's PDF, even upload lecture recordings. NotebookLM accepts PDFs, Google Docs, audio files, and more. The key? Rename each source clearly. Week 3_cognitive_psych_slides instead of just lecture.pdf. Phase 3. Generate your summary. In the chat panel, type this exact prompt. List the 3 most important concepts and how they connect. Watch as AI analyzes all your materials together and gives you a crystal clear summary with clickable citations. Pin this with the pin icon. Phase 4. Build study tools. Click the studio panel on the right. Generate a study guide. Done in 3 minutes. Create a practice quiz. Instant. Generate flashcards. Boom. You now have multiple study formats from the same messy materials. What you just accomplished. You eliminated information fragmentation, created AI-powered synthesis of complex content, built multiple study tool formats, and saved 3 to 4 hours of manual work. But here's the deeper win. You've learned a system you can use for every single lecture this semester. Try this 15-minute system with your next lecture. Drop a comment telling me which subject you're using it for. And subscribe because I'm breaking down advanced NotebookLM techniques that most students don't know exist.